Tip 7 is probably the cyclist's biggest nightmare, is a puncture. Remove your wheel, like so. Take your tire levers, which, like this, and place them in under the tire and lift down. Hook it onto your spoke and move with your next tire lever about 5 inches. Hook under and pull. You need to slide your tire lever around the rim like so. Once your tire is all off on one side, it's now you can take your puncture tube out. To do this, just literally pull. If you have a valve cap and a duster, you need to remove these like so. With those removed, you can take the puncture tube out, put it in your pocket and dispose of it later. The next most important part of the puncture is checking the tire. To do this, put your fingers inside the tire and run them inside. With this, you will feel if there's anything protruding inside the tire. Also make sure you look before your hands are in case there's any large pieces of glass, as you don't want to cut your hands. Once this is done, you take your new tire. Once this is done, you take your new tube. Inflate it a small bit, like so, just to give it shape. Insert the valve through the valve hole and lift the tire over the tube. Then just push the tube inside all the way around the tire. Then pinch the tire or the tube, pinch the tire back onto the rim and continue to do so all the way around. Like so. If you find that you get a hard spot here, leave it, go to the start and just squeeze the tire between the rim and work your way all around again until you get to the hard part. This should give you enough slack that you can sit it on without having to use the tire levers. Lastly is tire inflation. To do this, you have a pump like this, or in my case, a track pump. With the track pump, place it on the valve and lock it on and pump. Proper inflation is about 100 psi for Irish roads, and that's more than adequate.